Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the food delivery app DoorDash. So let's get started. So if you are an Android user, then you can use Google Play Store, Google search bar. And if you are an iOS user, then you must use your Apple Store. So at here, I will just go to my Google search bar, and here I will directly search for the DoorDash app. Okay. So DoorDash food delivery app. From here, I can go and install the button. Like click on the install button, it will automatically download and install the app in my device. And if you scroll down, you can also rate this app from here, and you can see the ratings of the other people too. So by this way, you can just do it, and it's a easy process too. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. And thank you for watching.